I know you trollolos love the sound of V8s in the morning, so I'm gonna do you a little something special. Exhaust test. Should be good. I know you guys love the sound of that. That's an amazing car, dude. 5-liter. What are you doing? You're not supposed to turn on until it's 100 degrees. That's not 100 degrees. That's 50. Change. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing with your life? You troll. Okay. This car has a problem with going into first gear. Are you kidding me? This isn't... There we go. What is up? I think don't want to change gears. Anyways, I know you guys love exhaust testing. It's 28 degrees outside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can see my breath. It's cold, dude. But
everyone.
Say it loud.
This is Nickelback. And no, I don't own their song. What do you think? Stupid people on YouTube. But yeah, here's the belt. 20358. Whoa. Focus. Focus! You're drunk. 203589. And I need a new one. And look at that. Look. See that? That's called as come see. And it was right there. But now it don't belong because it don't run. Because it's stupid. But yeah, that's an exhaust test, guys. So, I will see you guys later.